One of the common problems that can occur with the exhaust tips is that the bolts get seized, either seizes into the captive nut or can seize into the sleeve up here. I found with mine it had seized into both, so as soon as I put some pressure on, it actually just broke the bolt, and one part stayed in the captive nut, which is this one, and the other half had stayed in the sleeve at the top, and the two halves just snapped off. Spoke to Porsche and they said the bolt wasn't available, which was a real shame because that was the only problem with the tips. What I then found was that another bolt that I'd bought from Porsche for the steering UJ on my 944 was actually exactly the right size. So the part number is here, if you can see that there. I'll put the details in the comments, and the nut that comes with it is also exactly the right size. So if the captive nut has broken, I have now a replacement that will go on there and with the bolt, and it means you can then tighten up the exhaust tips so they'll actually go back on the car. So worth getting that part number, which is N0103357, which is the bolt that holds the exhaust clamp together.